My bucket list for a January transfer window includes a left back, right back, and a right winger. And the right winger sengibeka amehlo right now uPhuso Tejana. Lo mfana uyiPirates material. Asala ubeka uKaizer Chiefs. Rejectile vele Chiefs because he wasn't good at the time for the club. But now he's grown. He's a different Phuso Tejana. Umnandi manje. Thina Orlando Pirates siyamdinga manje because Phuso Tejana is an Orlando Pirates player. Carries himself like an Orlando Pirates player. Hardworking. Ever so hardworking. That's what we want from an Orlando Pirates player. You got about Diano. You got about Libito. Bogazi. Siema. Look at Abo Hoto. Look at Abo Mbule. Look at Abo Mfuking. Look at Abo Apolis. Look at Abo Muremi. Look at Abo Nduli. Makaula. Look at all those guys. Even Alabanga Bizanga. Look at the profile which they have. And you again look at uPhuso Tejana. uPhuso Tejana is the kind of player onga succeed at Orlando Pirates. And there's no way uPhuso Tejana ngeke afune ukuza kuPirates. Because you now look at Orlando Pirates and how they structure themselves, how they want to win, how they want to move forward. Aliko player engeke lifuna ukuza kuPirates because Orlando Pirates has a clear vision and you can see nendlela abadlala ngayo their coach. You can see what is a no-nonsense coach. You can see he's a no-nonsense coach. And by the way, lately I've been watching ama-match wami kwenye app ebizwa nge-LFTV. Angifike endlini ngivele ngiphose phezu kwesofa ngivule i-LFTV and equality yakhona is so clean, there's no buffering. Noma ngaphandle nje angiwari ngivele ngivuyele ifone because it's also on mobile. Yenza kube ngcono ngibheke ibhola. Ngibheka kamnandi ibhola nge-LFTV because I can watch on Fire Stick, I can watch on the smart TV, efonini, also on Android TV. Aliko iplayer elingafoni ukudlalela Orlando Pirates. And ngibona ngathi icontract kaMudau iseyela ngasekupheleni. Singajabula ukubona uMudau. Awusela my sailor. Awusela my sailor. Sailor my sailor. VIP yani sijayiva nabantu. Oza kubhakania mfana ke. Oza kubhakania sailor my sailor.